Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Adobe Fonts usage files for motion graphics, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup Adobe Fonts usage files for motion graphics, start by launching Adobe Creative Cloud. Log in with your Adobe ID if you aren't already signed in. Once logged in, navigate to the Fonts section in the Creative Cloud app. Here, you will see a list of all the fonts you have activated. Next, you will need to identify which fonts you've used in your motion graphics projects. Open the specific project in Adobe After Effects or Premiere Pro where these fonts are utilized. Select the text layers that contain the fonts you want to back up. From the top menu, navigate to Edit, then click on Show Font to take note of the font details. Make a list of all the fonts used in the project, noting their names and styles. Now, leave your Adobe application and return to the Creative Cloud app. In the Creative Cloud Fonts section, locate each font from your list one by one. Once you find a font you need, click the download icon to save it to your local system. Repeat this process for every font you have used in your project. To keep the fonts organized, create a designated folder on your computer for these backups. Drag and drop your downloaded font files into this folder. After backing up the fonts, ensure that you also save your project files. Create a separate backup of your project files in a cloud storage solution or external hard drive. This double layer of backup will secure both your fonts and projects in case of future data loss. Finally, regularly check and update your font backups whenever you add new fonts to your projects. This process not only preserves your current work but also prepares you for future projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.